It's time for today's Legal Minute with the Law Office of Cooley Schreyer in Springfield. Today we're joined by attorney John Davis. We're talking about what individuals need to consider when they are considering filing for bankruptcy. A lot of people think all your income is going to be taken and given right to the creditors. How does your income work when it comes to bankruptcy?
Well, typically your income is not given right away to creditors, and often your income is not something that's available for creditors at all. However, you got to be careful because in some instances, yes, it is available and it is to be paid to creditors. For example, if you are trying to stop a foreclosure, or if your income exceeds certain threshold levels, you're required to file a Chapter 13. And in a 13, the law requires now that you use your disposable income over a planned period of 3 to 5 years to pay your creditors.
Now, they can't take all your income. What about your assets? What if you have a boat, a house? Can they take all that from you?
Well, the purpose of bankruptcy is to give debtors a fresh start. And one of the ways the law does it, it allows debtors to exempt certain assets. Typically, it's your home, your car, and basic life necessities.
What you need to thrive.
The things to carry on with the fresh start. There are exceptions to that. Some assets are not exempt, but there's a large category of other assets that are exempt. One that comes to mind are retirement assets, IRAs, Roth IRAs, retirement plans, pensions. Those are in generous amounts typically exempt and protected from creditors.
Now, if people are out there, they're down their luck, and they're contemplating it, they're thinking about bankruptcy, they don't know what to do, what's your recommendation?
Well, unfortunately, bankruptcy is a complicated area with a lot of issues. You really should consult with a bankruptcy attorney or other qualified advisor and get advice.
Someone like you, someone like the folks at Cooley Schreyer. Thank you so much for joining us today. Legal Minute, that's what that was, and for more information, call 413-781-0750 or visit CooleySchreyer.com.